Hi students, so welcome to the session. I am Dr.K.Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE-AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this session, we are going to learn how to implement circular double linked list in C programming. In our previous 4 classes, we discussed about different functions in circular double linked list. In this class, we are going to see how to implement these functions in C programming. So, overview of the session. In this session, we are going to implement insert function, delete function and display function. For insertion, we have 3 cases: insert at beginning, insert at middle and insert at end. And for delete also we have 3 cases: delete first node, that is beginning, and delete a specified node from the list, and delete last node in the list. Okay. And in display also we have 2 cases. One is display in forward direction, another one is display elements in backward direction. So, outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are understand how to implement circular double linked list program in C programming. So, this is the program for circular double linked list. This is the structure. Here the structure node have 3 parts. One is data, another one is previous, another one is next. Here node will store the data, actual data. Previous will store the previous node address. Next will store the next node address. So, next function is create node. The purpose of the create node is it creates a new node with the given data and returns the new node address to the called function. So, next function is insert at beginning. So, this function is used to insert a node at the beginning of the circular double linked list. So, next function is insert at end. The purpose of this function is insert a new node at the end of the circular double linked list. Next function is insert at middle. The purpose of this function is to insert a new node at a specified position in the circular double linked list. Next function is delete from beginning. The purpose is delete the first node in the circular double linked list. So, delete at end function is delete the last node in the circular double linked list. So, delete at middle. So, this deletes a node at a specified position in the circular double linked list. This is the display function, display forward. This function display elements in forward direction, and display backward function display elements in backward direction. So, this is the main function. Now, we execute all these instructions one by one. Here we are taking 2 variables, head and tail. Head equals to initially null and tail equals to null. And here I call insert at beginning, head, tail, the data is 111. Now, insert at beginning, we will call the create node that creates one new node. Let us assume the address is 301. So, this is the data. What is the data? 111 is the data. So, 111. Now, this is the circular double linked list. So, 301, 301 here. Okay. And head equals to 301 and tail equals to 301. Okay. The next function call is insert at beginning 222, head and tail. So, now another new node is created. What is the data? 222, and let us assume the address is 401. So, here we are going to insert the head here. What is the head? 301. So, in head arrow previous we are going to update with the new node. So, it is 401, and we update the last node next pointer with the head. So, it is 401, and here we update with the tail. So, it is 301. That's it. Here we update the head also. What is the head now? 401. So, head is 401, tail is 301. So next function call insert at beginning 333. Another node is created. Data is 333. Let us assume this is the 501. Now we are going to update. So this is the head 401. Here we are going to update previous one 501. The last node next pointer is head. So it is 501 and update the head also. Now head is 501. Here we are going to store tail value. So 301. That's it. Next again insert at beginning. So another new node is created. Insert the data. Let us assume the address is 101. Update here. Here 501. So 501 previous is 101. Now this is the link. And previous we are going to store tail. And tail arrow next will be head. So it is 101 now. Okay. That's it. Again insert at beginning 555. Another new node is created with the data 555. Let us assume address is 601. Here we are going to store the address 101. So here 601. So last tail one is 301. So this is the link. So 301 arrow next is new node. What is the new node here? The new node is 601. Now this is the link. That's it. Okay. What is the first node? 555. Next one 444, 333, 322 and 311. Next insert at middle 666, 4. Now I want to insert this 666 as a fourth node. This is the first node, second node, third node, and here I am going to insert new node. So what is the node? 444. Here I am going, let us assume the address is 701. Here I am going to store 401. That's it. Here I am going to store 401. So this is the link. Here 701. And here also I am going to change as a 701. Now, so this is the 701. Here also 701. Here previous is 501. Here next is 401. That's it. Okay. So next insert at middle 777, 3. Now I want to insert the 777 as a third node. So 1, 2, 3. Here new node is created 333. Let us assume address is 801. Now this 501 is copied here. This 101 is copied here. And here we are going to update with 801 and here also 801. Now this is the link. Okay. So next instruction is insert at end 888. Now one node is created. Now the data is 888. Let us assume the address is 123. So now this node is inserted as a last node. So we are going to change the first node previous is 123. 123. Now this is the 123 we store there, and here also the last node next indicates first node. What is the first node here? 601. So this is the 601. We are going to store 601. So this is the new link. So previous link will be terminated. Here we are going to store 123. Here we store 301. That's it. Okay. And update the tile. So tile, now tile equals to 123 and head equals to 601. Okay. So next instruction, insert at end 999. Another node is created. Now data is 999. Let us assume 111 is address here. Now here we store the head here. What is the head? 601. So this is the link. And this is the last node. So here we are going to store 111. So this is the link. And this link will be terminated. And the previous 123 indicates, and here the new node 111. So this is the node, this is the link, and update the tail. Now what is the tail? The tail is 111. Okay. What is the head? The head is 601. Okay. Head is 601 now. Head equals to 601 and tail equals to 111. That's it. So now we display the elements in list in forward direction. Display forward head. What is the head here? 601. So 601 data is 555. So 555, after 555, 444, after 444, 777, after 777, 333, after 333, 666, after 666, 222, so after 222, 111, after that 888, 999, and it is circular double linked list. So we print first node, so it is 555. Okay, so this is how we are going to display elements in forward direction. Here next one is display backward. So backward means it displays from 999, 888, 111, 222, 666, 333, 777, 444, 555, and again it displays 999. Okay, so next one is delete from beginning. Now here I am going to delete this node. So we update the head value. So what is the head? Now head will be 101. 101 will be the head, and we are going to update the last node next part, that is with the head, that is 101. Now so this will indicate the 101, and here the last node 111. That's it. Now so this is the link. Okay, now so delete at middle 2. Now this is the first node, second node, I want to delete this. So here I am going to store 501, 501, here the previous is 101, so this will be deleted. Okay, next delete at end. So I want to delete this end. So here we are going to store head value. What is the head? In this case it is 101. So this will be terminated, and this is the new link. In head previous we store the last node, so 1 2 3, and we update the last node, that is 1 2 3. Okay, now if we display elements in forward direction, it displays so 444, 333, 666, 222, 111, and 888, and 444. Okay, if we display the elements in backward direction, then it displays 888, 111, 222, 666, 333, 444, and 888. Okay, let us execute this program. Compile and execute. So this is the output. So 555, 444, 777, 333, 666, 222, 111, 888, 999, and 555. It is in backward direction, starts from last node. So it is 111, 888, 111, 222, 666, 333, 777, 444, 555, and the last node 111. So after deletion 444, 333, 666, 222, 111, 888, 444, and it is displayed in. So next function is forward direction. So it is 888, 111, 222, 666, 333, 444, and 888. Okay. Summary of the session. In this session, we learn how to implement circular double linked list. We learn 3 functions: insertion, deletion, and display. In insertion, we have 3 cases: insertion at beginning, insertion at middle, and insertion at end. And deletion also we have 3 cases. So delete first node, and so delete a specific node in the list, and delete last node in the list. And in display we have so 2 functions, one is forward, another one is backward. I hope you all are understand how to implement circular double linked list. In next class we are going to learn how to implement stack using linked list. Thank you.